All right, we just got into our place in Aspen. This is the Innsbruck. It's a 2-bedroom with a king-size bed. Nice robes in the closet there. It's a 3-bathroom unit with 2 bedrooms. And this is the door that heads out to the pool and hot tub area right out here. But, you know, really nice kitchen. Living room area with fireplace. And let's see if I can get a little view of that kind of hot tub area. Sure, through the slats. So this is a Bluegreen. I think we did 10,000 points for a nice weekend here. But this is a 2nd bathroom, and then 3rd bathroom is in this next bedroom area. And the 2nd bedroom is 2 twin beds. And they have their own entry here, so this could be a lock off. And then this area here also has a door to the parking lot. All right.